Hey, Brian, this might not be a fair question, or maybe it is, but we want to talk a little bit about warranties and car shops, and because I see a lot of different types of warranties out there, and I know they're like national shops, independent shops, even just local shops and such like that. You have any insight, like who offers the best warranties and what should you look for in a warranty? Because no doubt that's what folks they just want to know. Everybody's always making an offer.
Mm-hmm.
What are the good ones?
Warranties are a great subject, and today's day and age too, with these commercials out there of offers to buy extended warranties and so forth.
Yeah,
most of them are not worth the paper they're written on. Really, we deal with them all the time. Someone's, hey, I've got an extended warranty. Great, we'll do what we can, and we go to bat. We work really hard to try to get their things covered. Their goal is to deny the claim. That's what they do.
Yeah.
And they do it very well. So most of the time it's not worth hardly anything, or they pay a tiny fraction of it, if any of it. So those are the worst, really, because you're paying a lot of money. You think you've got coverage until you need it, and then you find out you don't. So the best thing is to deal with a shop that has a really good nationwide warranty that has some decent coverage. Like 336 is typically 3 years, 36,000 miles. That's typically the best out there, which we offer. And you only find that at some really good, strong, high quality, credible independent shops will offer that, because it's not cheap to offer it, but it is a good warranty.
I was going to say, you got to be doing some good work, because you got to stand up and you got to back it up.
Yes,
sure,
exactly. And who wants to pay for the repair again?
Yeah.
So 336 is about the best out there. I've never seen anything beyond that. Most chains, all automotive dealerships, they're 12-12. 12 months, 12,000 miles.
All right. Listen, I know something though. I know there's something like a 500,000 that you guys do.
That's pretty interesting and unique.
That's crazy. What tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah. So the 500,000 mile Weber Automotive Advantage warranty, it's specifically related to engine components, internal engine components.
Okay.
And you've got to start with the vehicle less than 100,000 miles. And if you do oil services, oil changes with us, and you do them at the proper intervals, Castrol, this is the oil product that we use, through us doing that, they offer a warranty on every internal engine part that is contact with oil for up to 500,000 miles. So it's a no-brainer. It's not like our oil changes cost anymore.
Right.
You just have to do them when you're supposed to keep it alive, and you've got coverage for the internal engine components for 500,000
That's pretty impressive. That is pretty impressive.
It's fantastic.
That's $500,000. I'm quick with the mathematics here.
And you're not paying any extra for it. It's just a no-brainer. Yeah,
and again, you guys offer the other types of warranties for the other parts of cars you mentioned. The 336 and that's okay. So
and we do the same thing with engine and oil services. We do the same thing with antifreeze, coolant services, brake fluid, power steering fluid, transmission. All those fluid services come with warranties that don't cost you any extra money.
That's pretty nice.
It's pretty cool.
Well, if you're wondering, and I was, that's pretty good insight there. The 336, that's a blanket coverage, and
Not
that's
everything.
That's great, but that's 500,000 miles. That's
a big deal.
You don't see that every day, so. You might want to head over to WeberAutomotive.com just to get to know these guys a little more. You can see some other videos with Brian and I know Jason and Mary, and the whole gang is in there. And then, you know what? You might want to start, your car might want to start visiting these guys. So thanks a lot for sharing that,
Thanks,
Brian.
Randy. Appreciate it.